Do you come here often?
Yeah, I work here. Mwah. You were meant to be here. Don't move. Ah! That's us finished, Chris. But remember, no candy. Bye. I've never seen someone cry that much.
I'll wait for Mom here. I'm so hungry. I need something to eat. The dentist isn't around. Maybe just a quick snack. What's the worst that can happen? Just a little bite. I'm gonna enjoy this. Yummy!
No!
Huh?
Don't! Stop!
Chocolate! So close! I'm so not happy right now. I hate lettuce.
But it's good for you. And your teeth. Ugh. This belongs in the trash. Hi, come on through.
Oops. Sorry. After you.
No, you go.
Okay, thanks.
Not again.
Oh, this chair is so soft.
That's it. Just relax.
Aw, hugs! You smell so good.
Can you let me go?
Oh, right. Sorry.
I just wanted to put this on. Awkward.
That was so embarrassing. But you do smell good.
Let's just check your teeth.
How did you do that?
No! I don't need this.
Phew.
This could be useful.
Are you serious?
Maybe later.
And relax.
This will cure toothache.
Huh?
Maybe it's too much. This is more like it. It might get messy.
Please stop.
This is what I'm looking for. Where did he go? Chris? That's the 4th time this week this has happened.
I hate going to the dentist. I need to get out of here. Come on. Ouch! Oh, free at last. Mom! Let me in! I need to hide! Hurry up! Yes! Home at last! That was terrifying. What is that? Oh, it's Mom. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Chris. You can never escape me. Time for your checkup.
Stay back! Help!
Chris? Hello? Wake up. Hey. Are you okay?
Oh, stay back.
At last! You gave me a fright. You fainted. Everything's okay.
Ava's so pretty.
Selfie! What are you doing? Get back!
I love the way we joke and how we spend time together.
I'll read this later.
Hi, Ava.
Whatever.
Oh, great memories.
That's so creepy. This class is so boring.
You see, class? As long as there's metal, the magnet will attract it. Nothing can stop the connection. It's so strong.
Whoa. This gives me an idea.
Isn't it wonderful? Yes, Chris?
I need to go to the bathroom.
On you go. We don't want another accident.
I'll see you soon, Ava. Really soon.
Who knew science could be fun? Ouch! My braces! What's going on?
It's working! Come on!
This is so weird! Chris? What are you doing? No! Stop!
It's destiny!
No!
What? No! Got it!
Phew, that was close. Chris, that was… Ugh!
Ava. So many Avas.
Ooh. Oh, I cold in the talent shows today. Achoo! I feel awful. I would have been great. Ooh, yeah! La la la! Woohoo! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Wow, you're all so kind! Thank you! Thank you all! A stupid cult isn't gonna stop me from entertaining my fans! I have a show to put on! I could juggle! Eek! Okay, so juggling isn't my thing. Oops. Rah, rah, woo! Go team! Woo! I can always soothe their ears with some classical guitar. Oh, my ears. I guess I'm not gonna be taking part. This is so disappointing. Hang on. I think I know what to do. Musical braces is a unique talent. That's it. Is this on?
I'm Ava.
We're waiting.
Here goes.
Good, right?
I've never seen anything like this. It's so catchy.
Thank you! Oh wow! They love me!
Bravo! It was hauntingly beautiful! Well, young lady, I've seen enough. First prize!
It's such an honor!
Time for bed.
Ow! My teeth! Great party! Ain't that the tooth? Get it? Ha!
This is so annoying. Maybe if I lie on this side. Let's try this again.
Woo! Yeah!
Okay. Breathe. Pain is only in your mind. Breathe it out.
Let's get wild! Hey, we should do this tomorrow!
It's so sore! I need to do something! I want sleep!
I can do this all night! Whoop whoop!
Please stop! Why is this happening?
What's all the noise?
I've got a toothache.
Aw, honey. Try some gum.
Thanks, Mom. Juicy.
Woohoo! Hey, guys. Hey, what's happening?
Oh no! My braces! The gum stuck to them!
We should be besties.
Mom, we've got a problem! My braces are stuck!
I hope the dentist is still awake. What a delicious lunch. Oh, hi.
Hi, Ashley. Lunch. Hey, where's my food?
I've got this apple if you want it.
It's okay, but thanks. What's that? Oh, parsley. Nice. What else is back there?
That is so gross! How is that even possible? I can't stop watching!
I forgot about this. And there's the other half. Almost done.
Unbelievable!
I think that's everything. Apple? I can't wait to eat this.
Aw, I finished my drink.
I've got you covered.
No, stop! I'm good! Please don't!
Are you sure? It's no problem. Oh well, more for me.
We all want that Hollywood smile, but it can come with some problems. What's your funny braces story? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.